Hello and good morning dear students. Welcome back to the online class, and today we will be starting a new chapter, that is chapter number 14, and the name of the chapter is Linear Equations in One Variable. Okay, the name of the chapter is Linear Equations in One Variable, and today is 10th of March 2021. So now today we are starting this new chapter. Let us first understand what do you mean by First, let us understand what do you mean by algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions. Okay, algebraic expressions are those expressions which contains constants and variables, also along with the algebraic operations plus, minus, multiplication and division. Okay, algebraic expressions are those expressions which contains constants, variables. Now constants means 1, 2, 3, all these numbers. Variables means x, y, z and so on, and these are called the algebraic operations. So combination of these three gives us algebraic expressions. Am I clear? So some of the examples we can take it as algebraic expression as suppose x plus 3, okay, or else x plus y. Am I clear? Or x plus y plus 4. So these are some examples of algebraic expressions. How? Because this contains variables, algebraic operation and then a constants. Okay, so what are constants? Constants is 1, 2, 3, 4, all the numbers. Variables means the alphabets x, y, z, and then algebraic operations means this plus, minus, multiplication, division and so on. Okay, so these are some examples of algebraic expressions. Okay, now we'll learn about equations. What is actually an equation? So are we clear with algebraic expressions? If you are clear, please pause the video, you can make a note of it. Now equations means when two algebraic expressions are equal. Okay, when two or in between two algebraic operations. Suppose I have x plus 3 is equals to suppose x plus 9 or 2x plus 9. This is my algebraic expression in the left hand side, and this is also an algebraic expression on the right hand side. Okay, and here in between these two algebraic expressions, I am getting what? I am getting an equals to sign. Now this becomes an equation. This becomes an what? This becomes an actually equation. Okay, so this is actually your equation. So basically what is equation? Equation means when two algebraic operations are equals to each other, it becomes an equation. Clear? So we can give so many examples out here. For example, you can make your own as much as you can, okay? Y plus z is equals to 5. Okay? Variable, algebraic operation, constant. In fact, it is an algebraic operation. So it is an algebraic expression. Also, you can keep this as algebraic expression. Okay. So hence, these are some examples. Suppose I give you 2x plus 3 is equals to 4. These are also some examples. Okay. Now, therefore, what do you mean by linear then? What is the meaning of linear? Linear means the power of the variable has to be 1. Linear means power of the variable, okay, has to be exactly 1. The power of whichever variable I am using. Suppose, let's come back out here. What is the variable I am using? X. What is the power? Can you see the power? Power is 1. Power is 1. This equation is actually called linear equation. Linear equation. Now, for example, out here, how many variables? There are two variables, y and z. What are their powers? The power of y is 1, the power of z is also 1. This equation is also a linear equation. Similarly out here, 2x plus 3 equals to 4. It is an equation. But what kind of equation? It is again a linear equation because the power of x is again 1. Okay, so this is the meaning of linear equation. So now I give you more examples. Okay, you can pause the video and make a note of it. Remember that linear means the power of the variable has to be 1. The power of the variable has to be 1. Now, as the name of the chapter is linear equations in one variable, I hope you are clear with linear equation. Linear equation means the power of the variable has to be 1. Linear equation in one variable means the variable has to be only one variable. There should only be one variable used. Let us verify. I hope you are clear with this. 5x plus 2 equals to 4. Is it an equation? Yes, it is an equation because there is an equals to sign. Is it a linear equation? Yes, it is a linear equation because the power of the variable x is 1. And is it a linear equation in one variable? Yes, it is again linear equation in one variable because how many variables I have used? Only one variable, and which is that variable? X. Clear? Move to the next one. Similarly out here, it is an equation. It is a linear equation because the power of x is 1, and it is linear equation in how many variable? One variable because the variable is only x. Okay, but when you come to number 3, even though it is linear equation, it is not a linear equation in one variable because how many variables I have used out here? 2. One is x and the other one is y. It is a linear equation, but it's not in one variable. This one is not in one variable. Okay. So hence this was the topic for today, linear equation in one variable. Now we'll proceed with its solution, how to solve this type of linear equation. Okay, so pause the video and note it down. Alright, so we are clear with linear equation in one variable. Now we need to solve. How to solve? The question you'll see in exercise 14a will be solve the following equations. Okay, the first question is this. 20 plus 6 is equal to 2x. Let us verify first whether it's a linear equation or not in one variable. Let's check the variable used, x, one variable. And what is the power of x? 1. So hence it is linear equation in one variable. Okay. And yes, this x is unknown to us. We need to find the value of x. Solve means to find the value of the variable. Okay, 20 plus 6 is 26, which is equals to 2x. Therefore, I can also write this as 2x is equals to 26. That will give me x is equals to 26 by 2. Okay, so 2 1s are 2 13s are. So hence what is the value for x? X is equals to 13. Keep your answer in the box like this. Okay, simple. Pause and note it down and move to the next one. Let's again verify. What is the power of x? 1. How many variable? One variable. So hence it is linear equation in one variable. How will I solve it? Keep the number together and keep xx together. Okay. So I'll write this as 15 plus 3. When it comes to the other side, it becomes minus, and 5x. When it goes, x goes to the left hand side, it becomes minus. Sorry, right hand side, it becomes minus. Okay. So 15 minus 3. We know it, 12, and this is 4x. So therefore 4x is equals to 12, which will give me x is equals to 12 by 4. 4 1s are, 4 3s are. So hence x is equals to 3. So please pause the video and make a note of it. Alright, let us proceed with question number 3. Question number 3, the question is 3x plus 2 divided by x minus 6 is equals to minus 7. Okay, so this is the question. Actually, it is minus 7 divided by 1. And now what we can do is we have to solve, right? So hence I can do cross multiplication. This into this and this into this. So cross multiplication. So 3x plus 2 into 1 is 3x plus 2. And this into this is minus 7 into x minus 6. Okay, so what happens now is 3x plus 2 remains as 3x plus 2. Here I can multiply minus 7x, minus in a minus, plus 7 6 are 42. Again keep x together. So x together, minus 2 will be minus 2. 3 plus 7, 10x, 42 minus 2, 40. So hence x is equals to 40 divided by 10, 0, 0 cancel out. So hence x equals to 4. Pause the video, note it down. I move to another one. Number 4 in the same way will be homework. Number 5 out here. 3 into b minus 4 is equal to 2 into 4 minus b. How we will find the value of b? First of all, you check whether it's linear or not. One variable. B, here is also b. Here was also x and x. One variable, power 1. One variable, power is always 1. So hence, it is linear equation in one variable, right? Multiply 3b, 12, 8, 2b. What will do? Keep b together. 3b plus 2b is equals to 8 plus 12. 2 plus 3, 5. 8 plus 12, 20. So b equals to 20 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. Okay, so b equals to 4. Pause the video and note it down. Alright then, b equals to 4. So we'll keep this much for today. Today's assignment will be question number 4, question number 6, question number 7. Do complete all the sums. Practice it properly, boys. Every day you need to practice at least for 1 hour. You practice it every day. This chapter is also very, very easy. Okay, and tomorrow we'll start again with question number 8 onwards. So complete all the sums and submit the same along with the assignment till tomorrow. Okay, thank you and bye-bye.